Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Andrew the Apostle. My dear brothers and sisters, let us admit it that we do not want anything or maybe anyone to block or cross over our goals or even our destinations. Kung may pupuntahan po tayong lugar o tao, sino ba naman po ang may gusto kapag namumula si Waze? O kaya traffic? Di ba po nakakawalang gana na panay traffic yung dadaanan mo sa isang lugar o yung isang taong pupuntahan mo? But then we are also hopefully thankful for people or maybe events giving us access, easy access or connections so that we can reach out to someone we wish to connect with. Kung may mga tao o karanasan na nagpapabagal o magpapahirap sa pagpunta natin sa isang tao, mayroon din namang mga karanasan na magbubukas din sa atin upang tayo ay maluwag na makakonekta sa taong iyon. If there is one lesson and example, Saint Andrew, whose feast we celebrate today, wishes to give us, this is our capacity to open access to everyone to Jesus. At least, most stories pertaining or naming Andrew in the Gospels would always depict him bringing someone or leading someone near or close to Jesus. One example of which is the story of the multiplication of the loaves and fishes to the multitude when he brought this little boy with 5 loaves and 2 fishes near Jesus. Accessibility, opening a door or a path to someone for him or her to be near Jesus. It is comforting that hopefully until now, there will always be someone giving us access or leading us to a way so that we can be close to Jesus. Giving access to someone will always be an act of generosity. To give access to someone is to let others as well enjoy the presence of another. It is good for someone following Jesus that he or she can unlock access to Jesus rather than build chains or build padlocks or gates for people to access Jesus. Let us thank those people and hopefully we can also be inspired to be one. Dahil po, madami ang nakaranas ng pag-ibig ng Diyos, pero sasabihin, akin lang ang Diyos. Madami po ang gustong magsabi na gusto ko lang solohin ang Diyos. Pero po, sa bawat nakakakilala, sa bawat nakakaranas ng milagro mula sa Diyos, at sa bawat pinagpapala ng Diyos, nagbubukas din siya ng daan para ang iba makalapit din sa Diyos, makaranas din ng awa ng Diyos, at siya din ay mapagpala ng Diyos. My dear brothers and sisters, we ask the intercession of Saint Andrew so that we can also give way to others so that they can also get near to Christ. We give them as well the way, teach them the way, that this is the path so that we can learn and give ourselves to Jesus. May we give access to let them also receive graces.